Alright, so we are back here again today, and then we are trading gold as usual. It's 1:30. Daytime is 1:30, Start. So let's see what gold has for us. So we come here each and every day, 1:30 GMT or 9:30 or uh 9:30 New York time. Right. So yesterday we caught a few trades. So this is it. So now what can we see here? If you are looking on the 1 minute or even the 5 minutes, let's see what we'll get. Prices are just consolidating over here, but these are risky buys or sells, right? Usually we are supposed to use the 1 minute, the 5 minutes, sorry. So ideally we should enter when price gets here, when price is able to break out of this zone for itself, and then we should enter for a buy when price breaks out of this zone. So let's see what will happen. And as usual, we check out if we have any news events for the day. So we have a news event, that's prelim consumer statement, right? So it's quite tricky. But we are not going to raise smart, right? On this move, we will not raise more than 20 pips. So if we enter over here, if we enter at 2020 for a buy, then it means that we have to wait for a candle to break through, right? Yeah. We are going to put our extra at 1820, 2018, right? And if you are able to break out for a start, 2015, also 20 pips. So as usual, just 20 pips. If anything, if we don't get a breakout and then news happens, then that's it. You know, gold has so many levels that is of interest, especially for me. So over here at this point, uh, I'll be happy. I would like to sell rather than even buy gold at this point in time, because I don't think the buys will last, right? So Euro USD yesterday we said we were expecting something like this, right? Over here, Euro, and then it came to the entry, just tapped in the entry of this, and then went down. I wouldn't be surprised if Euro USD comes back to this zone and then tries to sell again. I wouldn't be surprised at all. This is GBP USD, right? GBP USD yesterday we took a buy over here, which didn't end up. If you didn't include your trade in profit or small loss, then it means that you probably hit the sell. All the USD, nothing really interesting. Alright. Anything I talk where you talk, I go do. Me, I know they see another girl for my visuals. Loving you, now my ritual. So this USDJP, right? Nothing interesting here on on USDJP, right? USD card 1 hour. I wouldn't like to trade around this bit. Just that slow for me. USD CHF. Not my friend at this point in time. At CHF also not looking like something I want to endeavor in. But yesterday there was a trade that we give out here again that did really well. That's NZD card, right? Quick trade. I told you that should this candle close bearish, that's the 4 hour candle, sorry. And check out yesterday's video, which it did. And then, this is us over here, right? We are still in serious massive profit, so alright. UOG. This is also a pair I would like to see what's going on over here. Oh. Still not in my point of interest, so will I lie? Now before the news, let's watch something on gold. Gold is quite interesting, but gold is quite interesting at the point. Okay, so gold is also getting into our point of interest, right? Let me delete this. Alright, let's go to the 1 minute. Let's get to the 1 minute time frame. And now, what should happen is this, right? What we are expecting is this. This thing should be lowered all the way. $18 from here. That is if it's able to surpass this zone. You get it. And then for a short position, this is it. We shouldn't risk more than 20 pips on any of these setups. And Fridays are quite not interesting like that. So Friday, yeah. And the reason why I'm expecting I would like to sell to the downside is basically because of this, right? Because of this trend line, something over here. So if you are able to break this trend line, and why not? If not, also, and then the trend line home, you know, we are going up. I think we'll be breaking very soon. We need a candle to break through. So we've not entered yet. And there's just a few more minutes to the news now. But most of the time, these news do not carry not much weight, you know what I mean? Even though they are labeled as high impact. So I think this candle is trying to do wonders for us. All right. So we need this candle to close above with a body, then we enter. All right. Now we are in.
You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ako macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato.
So we in now.
No go fumble. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go.
But then, if this thing also closes engulfing, right?
I cannot trust my neighbor.
So you can see on the 5 minutes that this thing is creating a wick. So it depends on how this thing is going to close on the 5 minute time frame. That's going to determine if or whether or not we'll be interested in taking buys. So this is how this closed. Let's keep watching. And always risk what you can afford to lose. Right. If you are to get a bearish engulfing over here, then we'll enter for a sell. And massive, right? With the news, waiting for the news to do its own thing. And there's quite something, right? So we should be in small break even or small loss. We are going to sell. Or an evening star pattern shows over here. Oh, then it means that probably will be slow to selling, but we'll have to take a loss. Let's look at Euro GBP. If it is in our zone, all right. Still watching gold. Gold, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do with us today? I think there's an evening star pattern coming will be formed over here, and if that happens, most likely we are selling for the news. Just 5 more minutes to the news, right? Or even 4 minutes now. And so if you are in profit now, and then your account size cannot handle the news, please get out of this news. Because news trading is not for everyone, you know. Trading the news can be scary at times, but then if you can handle it, why not? Market is at an indecisive point right now, and it happens, right? FX trading, it happens. Few minutes more. It's either we are going to hit SL or we hit TP. Now TP is basically 50 pips from where you entered from. You know what I mean? Didn't take anything less than 50. At least it should be more than 1 to at least 2.5. 1 is to 2.5. Arresting one for 2.5.
Play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. I just want a roughneck nigga on the top. Just wanna send me automatic with a drop. Ask me if I'm finished now, bitch, I just begun. I ain't giving out no 90 to no nigga just for fun. Are you done? Other man, I don't know no other man. Like 100 niggas.
In a few seconds.
I don't even got
Oh, God.
I'm still gonna make me 100 M's with 100 plans. Give me peso, extendo.
We are going to find out whether we'll be in profit or we're going to hit SL. Hopefully, we don't hit SL, right? But if you hit SL, it's part of the game, right? Okay. So, we hit SL. Unfortunately, we hit SL. So we've broken out of this trend line. But then we need a candle, this candle to confirm the breakout of this trend line. Then we can move back in. What's wrong with my internet? So let's look at the figures for the news. Okay, so the news was generally bad for USD, which we expect that gold should go up, but then it spiked down first before going up. So it's part of the game. Part of it.
You ain't getting your bitch back. Calm down, she could be yours, never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get paid back. Mama told me never show where you lay at. I don't want righteousness, I hurt too much, I lost too much, I lost too much, I hit my clutch and boom. Third day, pop out the tune. I like when you put your gun at the red light. I like all that violence, give me this function. Tonight, I'm chilling on the west side. Call my homegirl,
All right. So what's this candle going to do? Basically, as at this point in time, the market is indecisive. Right? It's indecisive, and we either need a trend line break or a push to the upside. But then, if it pushes to the upside, we are not going to follow that. Okay. So finally, we have a trend line break, but then there's not anything interesting I will pick. But then you can still choose to sell. Others doesn't look very neat to me. Doesn't look neat at all. Should this candle can become an engulfing candle, we sell. Yeah, we sell. Should this 15 minutes candle become an engulfing candle, that's a bearish engulfing candle, we are going to sell. Whoa, that's some serious selling pressure, right? So if this candle closes as a bearish candle, why not we enter from the 15 minutes time frame? All right. If you don't get a trade from this, then hopefully that's it. So I feel like this candle is gonna close bearish. Oh, there's a very big candle. So should we break out of this zone, then this is our recovery trade. But then this time the SL is the SL. You should really manage risk on this because this will have a little bit huge SL, right? If you have around, it's having around a 60 pip SL. Hope you can handle it. It's actually supposed to be here, right? And let's make it a 1:2. So manage risk, use the lowest lot size possible you can ever attempt to use. If we lose this trade, then we are done for the day. We are not trading again because you don't take more than two trades. Losing trades consecutively in a session, right? When we lose for the day, we accept it. Come back the next day. All right. So we are in. We are in this trade now. Let's see how the market will treat us. So let's see how this will go. Ah, wow. This AUD USD and gold isn't going down that much. Let me check GBP USD. Also looks like we are breaking out of this whole concomitant synergy over here. This whole consolidation and range. NZD USD is also so you see you need both your technicals and then your fundamentals to align in most cases. But then you realize that the prelim consumer sentiment really doesn't affect gold, right? Yeah, it's not a news event that affects gold that much as compared to CPI, GDP, NFP. You get it? It doesn't affect gold. I think we should be in some profits, good profits. I think we should be in some good profits. Okay, so there's someone at my door. Just a moment, I'll be back.
Low-key, all of them done they notice. I'm not joking, all my guys them know me. Since '06, I've been writing
Just a
this
moment, I'll be back.
story. I know be OG, but if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, so you know me low. Music chose me, just know this and know this. I dey low-key, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly. I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Whenever I'm wrong, you make me feel low. Whenever I'm lonely, you're there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's where I go, my own. Whenever you're down, I'll be there. I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm and take me as I am. Baby, it's magic every time I look together. I'm making the sun, hold you for life. I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Hold you for life. You were there by my side. I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm freaking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe.
All right,
No fit kill
so we are
my
in profits right now, right?
no fit kill
And
my
then
eyes myself. Follow the
I
stars.
think you guys
Raise
can
your
see
vibe.
right
It's
now
a bad vibe. If you hit your enemies
we are
shine.
in
You better
$29
follow me
profit,
into the light. 'Cause you can
and
never
we
kill
lost
my
little trades,
vibe.
little trades.
But yeah, we don't sacrifice.
Uh,
See, everything
changing $8 to $1. But now made $33, which is not bad. Yeah. Now we can leave and then have a nice day for a life view. Oh, sorry. Okay, so let's not close all right. Let's close at 90% of the trade.
I see you watching my stories. I see you getting my lifestyle. I see you watching my movements. This bad beats bad every day. I know they
The
look
God
for
has
your
moved up.
face. Bad man bad every day.
Yeah.
Get on your knees and pray. Do you regain your faith? I feel like if somebody come, don't take my energy.
I still excel, right?
My pastor say, be my healer, everything I desire. Holy Spirit, my rhythm, flow like a
Ending
river.
here.
If you get sour, come on, pass
Continue
it
another
down. I
time.
go just para, come on,
Anna.
I go